Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change date and time in your Oppo A31. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, you need to click in your device settings section. After click over there, you scroll down and you will find here additional settings. So you're going to click that. After click over there, you're going to find here something called date and time. So you're going to click, then here you can see it's up here the time zone, and there is no option to customize date and time in this phone. This is like you, whenever you buy this phone, it might be make you confused. Even myself, when I bought this phone, it's make me confused. So if you want to edit or customize date and time in your Oppo A31, you need to turn this off. You can see it's saying automatically set date and time. So we're going to off that, and now you can see it's going to give you set time. From here, you can easily choose the time. For example, I want to say 6 a.m. this time to that time, and if you want to even change the date, you can easily choose the preferred date you want, and then you can easily go back. You can see I had successfully changed date and time in my Oppo A31. But one thing that you can see in this additional setting in date and time, you can also change the time zone. You can choose the current country you want to set time zone. You can easily choose any of time zone, or I will suggest you to set this automatically set a date and time, which that means if you are the country currently you are, and this phone is going to be recognize that country, and this phone is going to appear that country current time and date if your phone is connected with the internet. Also, you can change, you can see that even time zone is not enabled to change. If you switch off, you can customize, but if you make this automatically set date and time, that's you cannot customize date and time. It's going to be, your phone going to be recognized the currently country you are. You might be in Dubai and you want to London, it's going to automatically, your phone going to appear. If you're in London, that's going to appear automatically a London time and date. So this is a very interesting things in this one. So within this, you can easily customize, say, date and time in your Oppo A31. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.